Guys, welcome. So in this video we will discuss a main topic of programming, that is taking input from user. So in this video we will discuss a method of taking input from user, and that is called taking input at the time of execution. So before moving ahead, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe it and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of my new video, and if you like the video then hit the like button as well. So now coming towards our topic. Now let's create a simple Java file, name it whatever you want and change its extension to Java. After that, just open this file and then write public class simple program, and this is the name of my file. It can be different in your case, so write whatever you have given. After that, brackets, then the public static void main string args is the main method, then the brackets. Now let's declare some variables. As I am declaring two variables, one is name and second is age, and then assign any values to these variables. As you can see, I have assigned values to these variables manually. So one thing to notice here is that whenever I will run this program, it will give the same output. Let's check it. So whenever I will run this program, I will get this same output, just because we have stored values statically. So our program is static. So to make this static program as a dynamic program, we have to store values into these variables which should be given by the user. So how to do this? For that, we have one method, and that is to give input at the time of execution here. So we have two things to do. One is to give the input here, and then receiving values from this args array. So when you will give these values here, then for getting those values back in the program, we need to access this array. This is the array, and for accessing array, we use its index. For getting a value back from array, we need to give an index. As for getting first parameter, we have to give the 0th index, and for getting the second value, we have to give the first index, because this array starts from 0, so we start accessing values from the 0. Now for getting the first parameter, we have to write the name, assignment operator, and then args and the index of that parameter. So we will give the first parameter is the name, so I will write the 0th index. So from the 0th index, the name will be stored in this. You will get this clearly when we will run this program. So we have got error here, and that is incompatible types. Now this is just because we are storing string value into integer. So for solving this, we have to convert the string to the integer. So for converting this string to integer, we have a method of integer class, that is parseInt. So let's use this method to convert that string into integer. Now run this program. Now while executing this program, after the file name, we have to give our values or the input by giving a step. So for example, I am giving it a value here. First of all, I will write the name For example, I am giving the values Sean and his age, that is 20, hit the enter. So it was the one method of getting input